If you are wondering how long does the battery last on Xiaomi 17, then let me quickly explain. So Xiaomi 17 has a really good battery. The battery can last for a pretty long time. Right now, this is one of the best batteries that we have on the market. Of course, there are better batteries, but still, this is like one of the best ones. So if we consider a typical daily usage of the phone, typical day-to-day usage, where we call a little bit, we browse the web a little bit, we watch some videos, and we even play some games. If we consider all of these things at once, we should be able to get approximately 21 hours and 45 minutes of the battery time. This is, of course, from 100% to 0%. Now, I also have to mention that, of course, whatever you do with your phone has an impact on the battery time. So other people with their Xiaomi 17, they might be able to get even more time than that, and some people might get less time. So what matters is, of course, like I said, what you do with your phone, what features you have enabled, if you, for example, play games a lot or not, and so on and so forth. So if we just use our phone for calling and only for calling, we should be able to get even over 40 hours of battery time. If you use the whole battery to browse the internet, you are going to get approximately 21 hours of the time. If you just watch videos, then you should be able to get 30 hours and approximately 20 minutes or so. And if you want to play games and only play games, then you should be able to get like 11 hours and 15 minutes of the battery time. So this is what I mean by saying that it matters what you do. So if you don't play games at all, of course, you will be able to get maybe even over 22 hours of the battery. And on the other hand, if you use lots of stuff that is running in the background, things that are draining the battery, then of course you will be not able to get as much of the battery time as other people. So this is why it matters what you do with your phone. But if we just consider the average usage of the phone, the average time, then it should be slightly below 22 hours, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.